गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन, हेयर आई अनीता। आप सबका स्वागत करती हूँ आप सबके अपने चैनल एजुकेशन ब्लॉग्स विद अनीता में। आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन दैट इज़ रिलेटेड टू आवर ब्रेन विच इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर द एग्जाम पर्पस। सो नाउ स्टार्ट विद द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हाउ मेनी लेयर्स आर देयर ओवर द ब्रेन टू प्रोटेक्ट द मेम्ब्रेन। कितनी लेयर्स होती हैं जो हमारे ब्रेन को प्रोटेक्ट करती हैं? तो 3 लेयर्स होती हैं। वन इज द डायामीटर, सेकेंड मिडिल वन इज द एरेक्नोइड मैटर, एंड थर्ड वन इज द पायामीटर. Now coming to the next question, which is the largest part of the brain? That is the cerebrum is the largest part of the brain. It is the total two-third of the total brain mass. Total brain mass. And as you know, it is made up of 2 hemispheres. That is left hemisphere and one is the right hemisphere. That is also controlling the high level functions such as thought, memory, emotions, and some voluntary function also. Voluntary functions. Now we are coming to the next question. From which part of the brain, human brain, that is, does the sensation of the pains come from? Cerebrum, medulla oblongata, thalamus या hypothalamus? So the correct answer will be the cerebrum. In the cerebrum, that is one lobe, parietal lobe, which are present in the topmost part of the skull. ठीक है, इसमें एक सेंसरी सोमेटोसेंसरी कॉर्टेक्स प्रेजेंट होता है, दैट इज प्राइमरी सोमेटोसेंसरी कॉर्टेक्स. ठीक है, ये रिस्पॉन्सिबल होता है मेनली फॉर द टच, पेन, सेंस, दैट इज मेनली रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द टच, पेन, टेम्परेचर एंड लिम्ब पोजिशंस. नाउ वी आर कमिंग टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Which part of the human body cannot be transplanted? The brain, because of the neural complexity, because of Williams neural complexity. Coming to the next, how many bones are found in the human cranium? Total 8 bones are found. First one is the frontal bone, second is the parietal bone, and third is temporal, fourth one is the occipital, fifth one is the sphenoid bone, and last is ethmoid bone. So here is the total number. How is it 8? That is, 1 is the frontal bone, 2 is the parietal bone, 2 is the temporal bone, 1 is the occipital bone, 1 is the sphenoid bone, and 1 is the ethmoid bone. Frontal lobe, that is present in forehead region. ठीक है, ये forehead region में present होता है. Parietal, that is topmost part of the skull. Temporal is the lower side of the skull. Occipital is the back side of the skull. Sphenoid present होता है आपका base of the base में. ठीक है, and ethmoid, that is present on the in between, located it between the eyes part, nasal or eye part, यहाँ पे present होता है. So here is the total 8 bone. 1 frontal, 2 parietal, 2 temporal, 1 occipital, and 1 is sphenoid, and 1 is ethmoid. Now coming to the next question, into how many parts is the human brain divided? 3 parts, that is the forebrain, midbrain, and hindbrain. Prosencephalon, mesencephalon, and rhombencephalon. So these are the 3 main parts of the brain. Chemical release from the synaptic junctions called neurotransmitter, hormones, blood, enzyme. So these are the chemical which are released from the synaptic junction is called neurotransmitter. These are the endogenous chemical messengers that is allow neurons to communicate by transmitting signals across a synapses to the target cell. So these are the basically a chemical, ठीक है, to communicate from one neuron to another. Now coming to the last question of the slide. Inflammation of the membrane covering the spinal cord and brain. Which disease is the cause? Here by mistake options are wrong. The correct answer will be the meningitis. Itis term, itis means होता है that is related to the inflammation and this meninge जो होती हैं ब्रेन के जो कवरिंग होती है उनको मेनिंजेस कहते हैं, या स्पाइनल कॉर्ड की जो कवरिंग्स होती हैं लेयरिंग होती है उनको मेनिंजेस कहते हैं. तो दैट इज meningitis is related to the disease or inflammation which is caused in the meninges of the brain or spinal cord. Thank you.